Mourners in India's capital gathered on Saturday to pay their respects to former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh ahead of a state funeral for the man key to the country's economic liberalization. Dr. Manmohan, who held office from 2004 to 2014, died at the age of 92 on Thursday, after which 7 days of state mourning were declared. His coffin, draped in garlands of flowers in the orange, white and green colors of India's flag, was flanked by a guard of honor and taken to his Congress Party headquarters in New Delhi. His body will later be taken through the capital to be cremated with full state honors. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who along with other leaders is expected to attend the funeral, called Dr. Manmohan one of India's most distinguished leaders. Opposition Congress leader Rahul Gandhi said he had lost a mentor and guide and that the former premier had led India with immense wisdom and integrity. Others also recalled and praised the contributions made by him for the economic development of the country.
He was one of those guys who had the foresight to guide us in the right direction and opened up economy whereby today we can see a different India.
अकाउंटेंट में चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट हूँ, तो 91 मेरे को याद आता है जब इंडिया वाज इन डोलड्रम्स, और 91 में अगर किसी ने इंडिया को बचाया तो वो मनमोहन सिंह जी थे। उनने दो बहुत बड़े डिसीजंस लिए थे, अपनी करेंसी को डीवैल्यू करना, जो शायद कभी एक्सेप्टेड कभी नहीं हो सकते थे, लेकिन उनने उसको कराया। एंड आज जो अपन इंटरनेशनली इतने फेम और इतने अपन आगे आए हैं इंटरनेशनली, दिस इज बिकॉज ओनली ऑफ डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह।
उन्होंने कभी विपक्ष और पक्ष नहीं देखा। अगर कोई भी पार्टी उनके पास जाती थी तो वो देश हित की बात करते थे, और अगर कोई सुझाव अदर पार्टी विपक्ष भी उनसे मांगता था तो वो जो है उनको उसी तरीके से जो है सुझाव देते थे। और देश के लिए बहुत बड़ी क्षति है और ये कभी भी भरपाई नहीं की जाएगी जो है।
The former premier was an understated technocrat who was hailed for overseeing an economic boom in Asia's fourth largest economy in his first term. Dr. Manmohan Singh is survived by his wife and 3 daughters.